K-pop cannot completely
completely
take over
overtake
the
नहीं करेगा,
Indian.
never.
No, no.
This is what I am saying कि उनकी series में वो है that
Interest.
they have this
That twist.
Okay, it's another way of sounding cool in a social gathering.
This FOMO part, I believe I have faced it because of this Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Hello and welcome to our Young Turk show What's Trending. We are again back here and today we are gonna talk about K-pop, or you can say Korean pop culture. But in South Korea it's famous because it's like Bollywood of South Korea, so that's obvious. But how has it made its popularity in India? K-pop has seen a surge in India in last few years. We will discuss all of that. But recently, K-pop has been trending in the reality TV shows of India, specifically because of Big Boss. Because Aura, a singer of K-pop, has made his entry as wildcard contestant in Big Boss, the controversial reality show which is always the talk of the town. South Korea doesn't even share boundaries with India. But the entertainment industry of South Korea, it's so popular here, especially among the Indian teens and Gen Z generation. How and why? How did that happen? We'll discuss all of that today. We will start with Ishika today because she's the youngest member who has joined here, and Ansh Pandey, my colleague, is also with me today. So, Ishika, because you are young, you know more about South Korea and the Gen Z generation. What do you know about K-pop and all the connection with which India is seeing recently with the K-pop industry? What do you know about it?
Okay, so I think officially K-pop started in India through VH1 channel. It was a music pop culture channel which was started in India.
Nostalgic.
Yeah. And I think recently K-pop became famous, I think, due to their drama series with that little romance
Yeah.
and that words they use.
The unique words, the
unique
slangs.
words.
I have heard that from the younger
So that was
people.
really famous. And I think for BTS and Blackpink songs.
Yes, and
And
also the dance steps are very catchy. I have seen that flower dance step and people following it. It is catchy.
It
The
is.
dressing sense, their colorful hair.
And how they carry themselves.
Yeah, very
like,
stylish.
With that funky look with all black, with all pink.
Yes, indeed. What do you know about it, Ansh?
Okay, see K-pop. I have not been a great follower, but yes, I have I have seen some series, and I firmly believe कि uh, it is basically getting more famous because of the stories. Okay,
Yeah,
the way
yeah,
it portrays stories.
definitely.
Now that is an aspect where actually I see India lacking nowadays. Okay, we have just been stuck on television on that same storyline,
romance.
old romantic stories कि इसकी इससे शादी हो गई फिर ये मतलब that's normal melodrama thing. That's not the case with South Korean series. Okay, like there are 2 3 series like I have seen one of them on Netflix. I think its name was The Glory or what. A very nice story about how ragging takes place in South Korea
Okay.
and how a woman takes revenge for that. And then there was another
Okay,
series.
I would
yeah.
like to say about one series on Netflix. It
Yeah.
is called Descendant of Sun. Okay, so it's basically happened that a girl from North Korea, she was paragliding. Okay, and due to some malfunction, she went and fall. She had met with an accident and she fall in North Korea. Okay, and that too with an army. Okay, now that army
Interesting.
that head used to keep that girl at his home hidden. Okay, and when people of that village came to know, he just introduced her as her fiance, his fiance, and the like entire series is revolves around how much stress and fight with the entire country, like literally North Korea,
Yeah,
and then
there
he
is
sends
a-
her back to South Korea, and when he that love and all affection triggers him and he went to South Korea, and while returning back from North Korea he was killed because he eventually went to South
course,
Korea,
of course.
which is not allowed.
See, this is what I'm saying कि उनकी series में वो है that
Interest.
they have this
That
zest.
twist.
Okay, so the stories which you guys are narrating,
Yeah.
according to that, I'm not a good follower of K-pop and South Korea series. I haven't watched any, but according to the narrations, it is not the hopeless romantic series which we see mostly in Bollywood and I'd not say whole Indian entertainment industry because now we have also very good stories coming up, but specifically Bollywood, it makes us hopeless romantic. We have to accept that. So the stories are really
It's good.
interesting.
It's
Yes.
interesting.
But do you think that it's another way of sounding cool in a social gathering? Because there is a word called FOMO, means feeling of missing out. So now that everyone is watching K-pop, it's becoming the trend, the Gen Z trend. So if, for example, I'm sitting here and we are having a discussion, everyone is talking about K-pop, and I say I don't watch it, so I might feel that thing, and I might be considered as less cool in that conversation. Do you think it's
No,
a symbol of being cool?
actually I do believe ये थोड़ा बहुत होता है लेकिन not at that extent. Like I have many people in my friend circle that they watch K-pop series. I don't watch so oftenly. Like I'm not a great hardline fan. लेकिन हाँ, if you have good stories then I only watch it. So yeah, but yeah, they do tease me कि नहीं नहीं यार तू नहीं समझेगा. They have a very
I
famous
feel
sign
the
like this.
same.
I think you guys have seen it like this.
It's like this.
Yeah, like this.
Something like
So yeah,
this.
they do
Like
like this, and I'm pretty asking what exactly is this. So
Heart.
मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था पहले. तो हाँ, so like these things तो थोड़ा बहुत होता है, no doubt about that, but not on that level कि बिल्कुल ही मतलब फोमो के चक्कर में बहुत लोग देखना शुरू कर देते हैं.
Nah,
No,
nah.
firmly I'm not
It
like
depends
that.
on your
Yeah, it
choice.
depends on our choice though.
Yeah.
What's your take?
This FOMO part, I believe I have faced it because of this Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Everyone, if I'm sitting in
I'll
a
make
group
you feel
and
FOMO because
if I'm sitting in a group and people are talking about Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, I'm like, no bro, I don't watch it, leave it.
Oh,
And but
strange.
I don't want to watch it. It's
ठीक है, we'll
It's
not
not-
go to
it's
Tarak
not-
Will
Mehta.
not go there. Will not go
it's
there.
not me. But K-pop is like कि it has good stories.
Yeah, it
कुछ
does
कुछ
have good
stories is extraordinary. कुछ कुछ songs, movies, they have very good plot twist and that hype, and then you know.
Doesn't it become problematic to watch something in Korean based on subtitles? Because of course the language you're
No,
not
no,
getting.
it's all
No,
dubbed
not
in Hindi.
exactly.
And
There are
Anisha,
many.
So people
yeah.
are watching it in Hindi.
बहुत लोग
Yeah.
हिंदी में देख रहे हैं. Many are watching it with subtitles, and I believe
And
with
people who
subtitles
wants
it
to
sounds
learn
very much cooler.
Korean, they can watch in Korean.
Hmm.
No, but Indians, we are talking about now how Indians watch
But
it.
there are many, even my friends, they want to learn Korean, so they
Yes,
watch
they
Korean
use
dramas.
Korean words in daily language.
Hmm.
Yeah, definitely. But do you think that the Indian entertainment industry is being hampered because of this Koreans' entry in the Indian industry? Do you think that somewhere the Indian entertainment part, which we used to watch like Bollywood and all the Indian stuff, is getting hampered because of K-pop
Not exactly.
in future?
I think
Not in future. Uh, yeah, but if the Bollywood goes the same way, like the same Oriental that love story things, I do believe. हाँ, लेकिन I would like to say this कि Bollywood is adapting. Not only Bollywood, Indian film industry is actually adapting to those things. Like there are many new movies that are coming out that have some different story, that have some similar kind of zest, that have some similar kind of story. Like the South Korean movies never hide their emotions. If there is violence, there's complete violence. If there is romance, there's complete romance. There is no explicit, मतलब not it, मतलब they even go explicit on that. So yeah, so if the Bollywood adapts to it, if the film industry adapts to it, so no, हम लोग उसको अभी भी अडाप्ट करेंगे एंड इट विल बी समवॉट लाइक अ मिक्स थिंग बट नो साउथ कोरिया का कल्चर कभी पूरी तरह इंडियन कल्चर को ओवरटेक नहीं कर पाएगा दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव
okay. If you see like अभी OTT platforms, वहाँ पे
Like
जितने भी
Netflix
series
and all.
वो होते हैं, बहुत सारा it's all sexual content, ठीक है?
Yeah.
But at the same place, if you watch K-pop dramas, that's not that sexual, you know. उसमें stories होता है, twist होता है, plots होता है, emotions होते हैं.
Such
Which
a
is
K-pop
far,
fan
far,
is
which
with
is
us.
far more better than OTT platforms that web series. Trust me on this.
I'm not denying that. I'm not denying
No,
it
he's saying
completely.
that K-pop cannot completely
Completely
take over
overtake
the
नहीं करेगा,
Indian.
never.
No. It won't.
Because people like us, we will watch Indian only.
हाँ,
I
That's
will
true.
also watch Indian web series, but if there is a very good plot twist, drama,
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
And
of
not that
course,
much of
people
sexual
watch
content,
watch
to be
something for
honest.
entertainment because they want a good story. Now people are not that kind कि कुछ भी दिखा दो तो देख लिया. They have a mind here. They know how it's been curated, so they want good story. But Aura has entered in the Big Boss house as wild card. I think because of the popularity, Big Boss knows it. Like Big Boss, if Ori is popular, they will call Ori.
They will call Ori.
If South Korea and K-pop is popular, they will call K-pop. So Aura's entry in Big Boss. Are you following Big Boss? Like, have you seen
not
him?
big. I'm not following right now Big Boss. But the best scene which I have seen right now is who was staying with Helga, that the other person. Arun. He was teaching him how to eat dal, chawal, and roti. That was the best moment.
It's interesting to
That was the
watch.
best
Yeah.
moment, and he was literally enjoying this. That how to eat dal, chawal with hand.
Even I have seen some clips, and now I want to watch the episode because it's actually interesting to know. There is a thing, na, cultural shock. So how that guy is culturally shocked, and at the same time, the Big Boss contestants are culturally shocked, looking at a unique personality with green hair, speaking some other language, having piercing in the nose. So that's interesting to watch, indeed. Indian, some Indians have gone to K-pop, like Shreya Linka from Odisha. She was 18-year-old when she went to K-pop, and now Arya, 20-year-old girl from Kerala, has gone to K-pop. So, do you consider it as an achievement
Yeah,
for Indians?
definitely it's an achievement for Indians. मैं तो इसको बिल्कुल
It is.
consider करूँगा.
It is.
Okay, so what do you think in future? Like they are like first Shreya went, and then inspired by her, Arya has gone there, and now on internet many young kids are following all those K-pop trends. So what do you think that K-pop is gonna see more Indian people in their team now? The BTS, the what is that? Blackpink,
Blackpink,
and
हाँ.
all of that. Are they gonna see more Indian people in their teams in the future?
Well, looks trend के हिसाब से तो लग रहा है कि yes, this is
I
going
think
to happen.
it takes more hard work to go to a
It
different
does.
countries.
It does.
Live
To
band,
adapt their
band,
culture और उनमें accept होना,
the
that is more
language,
big
the
thing.
accent, the way they sing, dance moves, everything.
And also, Indians' image, I would say, it's not that good in foreign countries. Like, because of course, I would again say because of the entertainment industry, they always say Indians being in poverty, Indians not at good conditions. So, those Indians going in something which is considered cool, like K-pop and South Korea, is a big achievement. I saw somewhere Shreya Linka was talking, and she was saying that how she made it there, and hard work was involved there. We'll go a bit serious about it now. So, South Korea and North Korea are always in conflicts because of the border issues, you say, and all of that, geopolitical issues. But entertainment is considered as a soft power to influence any country or any community for yourself. And South Korea is indeed doing it from K-pop and BTS and all those entertainment stuff. So, what do you think? That is it a threat somewhere for North Korea? Is it hampering?
Absolutely not. Not exactly a threat. No. See, first thing is कि South Korea, no, sorry, not South Korea, North Korea. North Korea has already banned K-pop. Okay. They already will say that is Western culture.
If it's not a threat, then why have they banned?
I'll tell you why. See, they believe that that's a Western thing. Okay. The communist nations like Russia and China don't follow such things, so no, they are also not going to follow it. But yes, Kim Jong-un sees, not exactly Kim Jong-un, but North Korea does believes that is something we should not adopt to it, and that's why they have even banned any sort of television. So
Any sort of television?
yeah, any sort of television. Only Kim
I
Jong-un
think there
goes
is
on there.
nothing going on in North Korea.
No. Yeah, so that's the fact. Okay.
No
So आप जो impact दिखाना चाहते हो, वो impact वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं तो आप दिखाओगे क्या impact? That's the point here. South Korea, even if it wants to somehow mend ties with North Korea here with the help of K-pop, it's not going to happen until जब तक वहाँ पे एक भी show ना देखा जाए. You have no intention.
think
How
there's
exactly are you
But
going to
no,
impact it?
I am saying when it will come to South Korea and North Korea between youth, the youth is gonna select South Korea.
Korea.
Because
Definitely.
because the soft power has influenced the youth to choose South Korea. North Korea, as you are saying that there is no
See,
entertainment and
most
stuff.
simple answer there is that there is independence there.
In South Korea.
Why would you go to North Korea?
South Korea themselves, they won't go to North Korea.
See, that's
Then why
a-
we will go.
So Their conflict is the continuous thing.
That's what I'm saying. So even if the K-pop has the ability, that is not going to work until North Korea opens some sort of doors of internet for that. Okay, you have no access there, so no, it's not going to have any sort of impact. The only impact that can help both of those nations is by having some bilateral meetings. That's it. That's it.
That is a political
Yeah,
thing.
that's a political thing.
Yeah.
It's better we should not go there more.
Yeah. It's a young talk
It's
show.
a young Turk show.
So, do you see any collaboration between Indian entertainment industry, that is Bollywood, and the South Korean industry, that is K-pop, BTS and Blackpink, whatever.
Of course, it's going to happen. It's
Because
going to
till
happen.
now we don't have any, right? This
I
is the
think it's
first
just
time.
not
Aura-
so major. I think
Aura has
s-
entered.
Aura, yeah.
Not that major.
Yeah.
Like
not
a
that.
movie or a
हाँ,
web
मतलब
series
I
kind of thing.
in
Nothing like
2022
that
like there
has
were some talks कि BTS is probably coming to India, but
India.
I नहीं थी.
I
I
think
know.
when
Ah.
BTS will
Ah.
come to India, it's gonna be a huge crowd.
Yeah, it's gonna be a
the
huge crowd.
biggest
It's gonna be a
show
huge
because
crowd,
of
yeah.
the fan base they have created here.
Hmm.
It is going to be, and also Indians are going a lot to South Korea these days. The South Korea tourism has increased because of
And
this K-pop.
food.
Yes, food also.
Food is like one of the main attraction of for the Indians towards South Korea.
But the tourism in South Korea has increased, has surged in these years. Especially the Indian people are going to South Korea a lot these years. You know, in South Korea, randomly at night, you will see a group of people dancing. मतलब
Not even just in South Korea, but in many foreign countries, people will randomly start dancing on the road.
But
Hmm.
I'm
But it doesn't happen in
specifically
India.
talking about South Korea. Yeah, now I have seen like college people dancing randomly. There are what we call
I
that.
haven't seen yet.
What do you think about that? The growing tourism of South Korea. They are indeed using their soft power, whether you accept it or not. Because from where I could see the entertainment industry, the soft power is helping a lot to South Korea.
definitely it's
in
helping.
all of these factors. It is so.
I think if India will take a little more initiative, I think back again, like South people coming towards India will also happen, and we'll have tourism also.
Hmm.
in India, you're saying.
Yeah. If
Could be.
South
Could be.
Korean people come.
Could be.
I'll tell you an incident. So I have a 6-year-old cousin sister, and we were randomly talking about like dancing and all. And she got up and she showed me all the steps of some song of the K-pop thing. And I'm like, and then her friend comes in and she also like it's saying that yes, have you seen that? I was feeling like the Pomit thing which I was talking about between those 6 to 7-year-old kids. I was feeling FOMO. Oh, I don't know about it. And they're like, दीदी आपको नहीं पता है, आपको K-pop नहीं पता. I'm like, नहीं पता है, थोड़ा बहुत पता है. So guys, we will end it here. That's what we think about the growing K-pop and South Korean culture in India. You're open to share your thoughts in the comments. We will try to reply there. And that's what we think. And tell us if you are a K-pop army or not in the comments below. See you on the next episode.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.